Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. I didn't want to complete restoring this Leslie 122 amplifier without doing some additional videoing of the process, and so I'll show you where I am in the process right now. I've already checked the resistors in here and cleaned up the chassis, both outside as well as in the undercarriage. You know, there was a lot of, if you go back and watch previous videos, there was a lot of spider webs and dirt in there, and so I cleaned all of that up. And so this evening I began to install various components into the amp, as you can see, and organize wiring. Of course, I installed the new cathode bypass capacitor. You can see the new orange drops here. And this capacitor here, new volume potentiometer, a new mechanical relay here. This tested fine. And so that leaves me with a few more components to install in here. Let's see, I'll, of course, install a couple of motor suppression capacitors here. I'll replace this resistor because of the way it was installed in this amp. I don't like that, so I'll replace this resistor. I still have to attach these. I will also install XY RF safety rated capacitors. Those will go here and here. They go here and here, orange and blue, and connect down to here. All right, that's where that'll go. And then this amp will be ready. Well, let me see. There's another resistor that I'll have to connect. That'll go from here to here. So I don't want to forget that. I need to go ahead and take care of that before I forget it. Let me go ahead and put that, get that resistor now, and make those connections so that I don't forget that. That'll be it. I think, let's see. I don't see anything else. So I'm almost finished with this project. So until the next video, this is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. I'll come back with a final video showing you the progress that I made up to that point. All right. Until the next time. Peace out.